Okay. Many words begin with consonants. Let's listen out for the beginning sounds of different words. This is the letter R. The letter R says er. Do these words begin with Does the word red start with the letter R? Red. Yes, it does. Red. Does the word run start with the letter R? Run. Yes, it does. Run. Does the word robot start with the letter R? Robot. Yes, it does. Robot. Does the word horse start with the letter R? Horse. No, it doesn't. Horse. Does the word rocket start with the letter R? Rocket. Yes, it does. Rocket. This is the letter W. The letter W says wah. Do these words begin with wah? Does the word wand start with the letter W? Wand. Yes, it does. Wand. Does the word well start with the letter W? Well. Yes, it does. Well. Does the word wheel start with the letter W? Wheel. Yes, it does. Wheel. Does the word tiger start with the letter W? Tiger. No, it doesn't. Tiger. Does the word whale start with the letter W? Whale. Yes, it does. Whale.